Someone asked, paki-explain po yung historical claim ng China sa dagat natin. Alam niyo po, hindi po kasi ako expert in geopolitics or law, kaya others will be able to explain this issue better. Paki-search po Justice Carpio on West Philippine Sea. He has credible insights kasi he understands the legal basis for the Philippine position. And he also did a deep dive on the history aspect. As in, he referenced the historical maps of China that never included the West Philippine Sea. Please go and look for those clips. We can talk about the history of the region until we are blue in the face, but the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, which was ratified by many countries like China and the Philippines, has already established that 200 nautical miles or 370 kilometers immediately offshore from a country's land coast is their exclusive economic zone. That means that the country retains rights to the exploration and utility of natural water resources. So, whatever historical rights existed, these were superseded by the UNCLOS. Yung paggawa ng China ng mga artificial islands is their way of extending their borders to claim the sea. Bad yun. Analogy po, may lupa ka na minana mo na galing sa lolo mo sa tuhod. Tapos, meron taong nagsabi na meron siyang American-era homestead claim, proving nasa pamilya nila yung lupa ninyo. Posible yon pero superseded na yon dahil may mga sumunod na natitulo at kasunduan na kayo na yung may karapatan ngayon. Hindi sila pwede magpatayo ng bahay sa lupa ninyo. So, historical claims do not translate to current rights. Let's keep our eye on the West Philippine Sea. Atin to. O, diba?
Meow meow.